Welcome to another craft unboxing haul, and in this video I am unboxing my design team kit of Dress My Craft for the month of June. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Kanika this side from Handmade by Kanika. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on so you never miss an update from us. So now let's get started and let's unbox the craft haul which I got from Dress My Craft for the month of June. So that's how my parcel looks like. Now I'll just unbox it and I'll show what all products I got from Dress My Craft as design team kit for the month of June. So if you want to see more such kind of craft unboxing haul videos and product review videos like what craft supplies you should invest in and how to use a particular craft supply, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification so you are not missing on any update. So here is the first thing which I received in my DT kit. These are the Dress My Craft rice papers which I'll show you all in some time. Here is the second packet which has been bubble wrapped, and that's the third packet which I'll simultaneously open up. So these are the rice papers which Dress My Craft has. These are of the size A3, which is 32 cm by 45 cm, and these rice papers are of 30 GSM. These are made in Italy, and if you want to buy any of these craft supplies which I'm showing in this video, you can check out the description box as the links to buy all these craft supplies for Indians as well as for international crafters is mentioned in the description box. As well, stay tuned as how to use these rice papers, and a lot of more tutorials are coming soon on my channel. So now moving on to the next product which I received. Here I have these flower pearls in the shade golden. If you want to know how to use these flower pearls, you can definitely check on my video number 67, or to which I have already mentioned the link. Here I have these crystal clear sequins from Dress My Craft, and I have as well done a detailed video on how to use Dress My Craft sequins, so you can check out video number 66 for the same. So next, here with me I have these mini corner punch. I got myself 2 of them as they were too adorable, so I couldn't resist myself. So I got myself another punch from Dress My Craft. This is the flower corner punch from Dress My Craft. Soon the videos will be coming out on my channel how to use these punches and all the products. So now let's open up the third parcel and see what all I have in it. Also, do comment down below that what is your favorite product from this craft haul. I would love to hear from you that which of the Dress My Craft products you loved from this haul. So the first thing which I have here are these small metal rings in the shade silver. These are the 24mm metal rings, and one pack has 4 of them. So now moving on to the next product which I have in my kit is this pollen. So these are the thread pollen. These are the pastel thread pollens which Dress My Craft has. They have a huge variety, so make sure you check that out. So next I ordered for myself these love you tags which are the Dress My Craft dies, and I as well ordered the pointed daisy flower making die from Dress My Craft. Dress My Craft has a huge variety of metal dies and I just love them. Here I have the Happy Father's Day sentiment die from Dress My Craft, and this one is the best mom Dress My Craft die. I have got another flower making die. This is the #3 design. So don't worry if you want to get your hands on these products. The link to buy all these supplies is in description box. So here I have the Sweet Treats motif sheet from Dress My Craft, which looks like this. And now here I have the Be Mine collection pack with me from Dress My Craft. So the collection pack comprises of motif sheet, one 6x6 pattern pack, and as well one 12x12 pattern pack. So this is how the motif sheet looks like. And this is the 12x12 collection pack. So in all, I ordered all of these craft supplies for my June month design team kit. I hope to see you again with another craft video and how to use all of these products. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to comment what you liked about this video the most, which is your favorite craft supply. See you soon. Until next time, till then, happy crafting.